From modern quilts to movies to a variety of new Sallie Tomato products, February brought us endless inspiration. We felt the love and hoped to find the luck in March. Hey everyone, I'm Jess, the founder and CEO of Sallie Tomato. Each month we enjoy bringing you new releases and sharing inspiration with you, and we hope that you enjoy hearing about them too. And if you haven't already, we would love for you to click the subscribe button so that way you know when there's a new video to watch. We have had a very early spring here in Wisconsin, which we aren't sad about. We've enjoyed the sunshine and are looking forward to springtime. We had so many fun announcements to share with you in last month's video, and March is no different. Before I dive into this month's new releases and updates, remember you can find all of the links to the items that I mention in this video in the order that I talk about them in the links in the description below. February is one of our favorite months here at Sallie Tomato because we decided to create our own month-long holiday called Faux Leather February. During Faux Leather February, we had an incredibly talented team of sewists make projects using our new faux leather finishes. Our sewists this year included Lena Owen of Bluebell Designs, Kat Riley from Sew Original Crafts, Reen Wilcoxon from Embroidery Garden, Jessie Anderson of Needle, Ink and Thread, Jessica Dayan, Claudia Aranda, Sarah Thomas of Sari Diddy, Beth Ruse of Sew Country, and Pia Servant. We cannot thank them enough for participating in our faux leather tour. We absolutely love seeing their unique styles using Sallie Tomato fabrics. If you missed the Faux Leather February tour, make sure to check out our recap blog highlighting all of their incredible talents. This past month, we attended one of the most inspiring shows called QuiltCon, which is hosted by the Modern Quilt Guild. Henry, Caitlin, and Audra went to Raleigh and got to meet so many of our wonderful customers in person. We loved hearing about what you have made and helping you plan your next bag making adventures. If you were able to attend QuiltCon this year, we would love to hear what inspired you the most while you were at the show. Drop a comment below and we'll chat about all of the inspiring projects and ideas that came about from the show. This month, we have another major product launch. We are very excited to introduce new designs of our ever-popular webbing, as well as brand new patterned clear vinyl. Webbing provides such a unique way to personalize your bag and truly highlight your own style. We have added several new webbing styles and a variety of colors and textures to expand your creative options. Also, don't forget to check out our Make-A-Strap pattern for your new webbings. This pattern is a great add-on to existing patterns in your stash that don't typically call for webbing. It's a really handy pattern since there are several style options to include webbing as an attachment for handles or a crossbody strap, plus some accented options as well. And to support our free pattern of the year, which is Ruth, we have expanded our pattern clear vinyl to include checkered, animal, and confetti options. You can also use these vinyls on a variety of our other patterns, including Russel, Taylor, and our free binder pouch pattern. These new webbings and vinyls are very unique and were highly requested, so we are so excited to see what you create with them. Simple all-in-one crossbody bags fit the 2024 trend of simplifying life. We've recently re-released our ever-popular Sophie Bag pattern, which is a stylish, minimalist cell phone crossbody bag. This pattern is the perfect size to fit your cell phone and a few important cards to take with you while you're running out and about, whether you're going to the farmer's market, running errands, or it's a nice little companion while you're traveling. The re-released Sophie pattern includes a few additional illustrations, metric measurements, and cutting layouts, all while keeping the beautiful bling and incorporating our new faux leathers. We have 3 limited edition kits available with all the supplies you need to make this project. The sewing tutorial is only 10 minutes long on our YouTube channel, which makes this project a quick sew for your next outing. Be sure to grab a kit while they're still available and perhaps grab a few extras for your friends and family. The new cork pattern that we have designed and launched this month is called Cherries. We think this print embraces the designer aesthetic, but also is a fun, creative twist for your summer projects. Our Cherries cork fabric pairs perfectly with our rustic Malachite cork. The bright and fun cork pattern is so versatile and has endless possibilities. Fun fact, did you know that our neighboring state, Michigan, is the top producer of cherries in the country? No wonder we like cherries so much here in Wisconsin. As always, we can't wait to see what you create with this month's cork fabric. Remember that if you're a member of our Cork Club, you have the chance to win a $100 gift certificate to Sallie Tomato if you create a project using our Cork Club fabric. Share your creations with hashtag Sallie Tomato and hashtag Cork Club contest to be entered to win. And if you aren't a member of Cork Club, you are definitely missing out. We have some amazing designs planned for the year ahead for Cork Club, all based on upcoming trends or that were highly requested by you guys. For those of you who know Sallie Tomato and my story, I started Sallie Tomato when I was in college, and I am very passionate about supporting entrepreneurs. For the last few years, we decided to sell our sample bags in an auction to help raise funds for a scholarship. Applications are now open for this year's scholarship. Eligible applicants must be graduating high school seniors or students currently enrolled in a 2 or 4 year college pursuing a business-related degree in entrepreneurship. To qualify for this scholarship, students must reside in the United States. Applications are due by April 1st of this year, so the deadline is approaching and the recipients will be notified by May 15th. We've added a link to the scholarship application below in the video description. This scholarship is truly important to me, and I am very excited that we are able to support another entrepreneurship student this year. As you may know, we love movies here at Sallie Tomato. We are so inspired by not only the movies themselves, but also the scenes and the fashion that are brought to life through different time periods, places, and stories that are told. Dune Part 2 released at the beginning of March, and we instantly felt a connection to the styles and colors of the worlds created by Frank Herbert. We gathered our soft and supple faux leather light and round handles to create a cloud bag that brings Lady Jessica's flowing fabrics mixed with structural elements to life. We imagined that this bag kit would fit perfectly with her style. Alternatively, the structure and utilitarian look of the Crockett bag fits in seamlessly with the needs of the freeman on Arrakis. These kits are fun sews for current day planet Earth or the imaginary worlds in the Dune series. For even more inspiration and details about the kits, visit the link to our blog below. We love a great scrap busting project, especially those that use up all of those faux leather or cork scraps that are left over from trimming zipper tabs or straps. And as a bonus, this quick scrap busting project is stylish and easy to make. Our faux leather tassel earrings do just that. They can be made in just 15 to 30 minutes. Our faux leather tassel earrings are a no-sew project that can be done by all ages. Check out our original video tutorial and our newly written blog post with step-by-step directions. And make sure you show us your fashionable new earrings by tagging us on social media. And as this month's new release video comes to a close, I leave you with an inspiring quote. If we're growing, we're always going to be out of our comfort zone. I love this quote for sewing because getting out of our comfort zone is a constant component of the learning process. At home, I am always encouraging my kids that it is fun to try new things, especially with new foods right now, which has been a challenge for us, but I think the same can apply to sewing and crafting. It is fun to try new things. Just keep that mantra in your head. Don't allow the fear of trying something new to prevent you from growing your skills and learning new techniques. And here at the office, we have been talking a lot lately about getting out of our comfort zones, including creating more video content such as live Q&As and connecting with you more on social media. I would love to hear in the comments if there have been any projects or techniques on your mind lately that perhaps you've been putting off because maybe you're afraid of getting out of your comfort zone. We'd like to be here to support you to see those projects through, whether it's through sewing and crafting advice or perhaps creating a new video tutorial. I'm excited for us to get outside of our comfort zones together and create some really beautiful projects for the upcoming season. As always, thank you so much for hanging out with me and hearing all the exciting news at Sallie Tomato. We will chat in the comments and I will see you in the next video. Bye!